Alright guys, well that was Mohawk Island and the lighthouse that's on it. Hope you enjoyed the drone footage and just exploring that island. Absolutely cool to see. So I think we're going to head out and try and see if we can find another one. The wind is starting to pick up a bit, so it might be a bit sketchy going for the next little bit. It might get a little wet, but I think we got one more lighthouse we want to try and find, so let's keep going. Guys, well, we've made it to the port of Maitland, which is where the Grand River, which is what we're on now, comes out into Lake Erie. So I think we're going to take a break from those rough waves for a second and see how far up we can get on the Grand River right now. So Great Lakes, Grand Rivers, what a time. So we're going to head up the river and see what we can find up there. Come with us. I think we've made it as far up the Grand River as we're going to make it. We've made it to Dunnville. Looks like there's a little marina here, maybe an apartment. And there's a bridge here. It looks like some rapids or a small falls. I don't know. We're going to get up there and have a look at it. So, yeah, Dunnville. Never been here. Okay, so now you can see there is elevation. Well, that's a shame. It would have been nice to get further up into up the Grand River, but water control. A little bit more rapid right here. Sporty. Yeah, look at that. Spin you right around. Okay, well, I guess we're turning back and heading our way back down the Grand. Well, that's as far up we're going to be able to get, so we're going to turn around, head back, and I think we're going to make our way back to the launch now. The afternoon is getting on, and the wind is picking up, so yeah, I think we'll make our way to the launch. If we find anything else along the way, you know I'm going to show it to you. But I think we're going to go back down the Grand River and then out onto Erie. And like I said, the wind has really picked up, so it's going to be a bit of a rough ride back from there. But like I said, that's part of the adventure, right? You got to get out here. And thank goodness we have these GTXs. I mean, they're absolutely fantastic. So let's let the adventure go and let's see where we get to. All right. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, we've made it back to Port Colborne. But Nigel told me there's a scrap yard where they scrap old ships in there. We just saw the pilot boat going out, so there might be a freighter coming in. So maybe we'll hang around here for a bit and see if we can catch the freighter. But first I'm gonna go try to check out this scrap yard where they're scrapping ships and stuff like that. So let's go check that out really quick, okay? But we made it back through that roughness. I hope you saw it. It was really fun. And like going with the waves, it's so much funner. So but yeah, let's go check this out. Now they are scrapping it. Check it out. They are decommissioning this boat right here. And the name's been removed. Wow. Here you can see people up there welding and cutting. Crazy. That's so cool to see though. Got it right up on shore here. Like one of the swing arms right there. You can see inside the ship. Like truthfully, I did not even know they did this down here. But I guess it would make sense, right? Why not? That is so cool. Cool. All right, let's so this is the actual Welland Canal that we're going up right now. So let's go a little bit further up and see what we see up here, and maybe we'll get that boat coming in. I don't know. There is a Canadian Coast Guard ship up here. Nice to see them. So I think it's an actual icebreaker actually. just from my distant view, it looks like an icebreaker. Well, let's go have a look. The Coast Guard, the Canadian Coast Guard, we salute you. You guys do amazing work. Griffin. Nice. Looks like they're taking some cable or something like that. Cool boat. Look at that, eh? Coast Guard. It's a nice little town in here. Port Colborne, look at you, little quaint. Boardwalk on the water. They're doing some construction up here, so they've got these, like, you know, don't kill the environment stuff. Look at that. That's cool. Stairs. That's cool. Small boats, beware. Dangerous waters ahead. You gotta say it with an accent. Used to spin. Here, hold on, let me get into the shade where you can see. Okay. So this is the farthest you can get down the Welland Canal on a personal watercraft. And there's the next, would that be the first lock right there? So right down there is the first lock that these ships will have to go through. Well, that's it for us here. Let's head back up and see what we can find. Fantastic. Yeah, it's an old CN bridge, no longer in use. There is still a bit of current, I will say. Hey, a bit of current. So guys, there's a Great Lakes freighter coming in right now, so I'm just pulled up here really quickly. I'm going to throw the drone up in the air and see if we can get some shots of it for you. So let's see what this looks like. So hopefully this works out well. We'll see. So while I set this up, I have found out that this freighter ship is registered to the Netherlands and is now going through the Great Lakes out to its final destination is apparently Ireland. So pretty cool. As you watch me set up for the drone shot. So yeah, so this boat that we're about to see is going all the way to, oh shit, all the way to Ireland. Fiddly-dee potatoes. I'm sorry. Alright guys, well this is as far as we can get because that's what we can do. So let's just watch this ship go by. Pretty cool. What's creepy is how quiet it is. Like, there, I'm turning off my engine. That's so quiet. Wild. You'd think these things would be louder, but that is awesome. Cool. I mean, I feel so small compared to to this thing. These captains are amazing at what they do. To go through a channel this narrow, like, and then you're gonna go under this bridge, like, what? It's gonna be something. Like, very little to no wake. Super cool. Well guys, I don't know what better way to wrap up the day than that, so thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the cool things we got to see today. Thanks for all the likes, the comments. I love hearing from you guys. So anyways guys, thanks again for all you guys do for the channel. It's amazing. Please make sure you subscribe, please make sure you hit like, please share, and guys, let's just build this channel as big as we can get it and have a great time ahead on the water. So until the next video, be safe out there. Peace.